The human body has innate defenses and adaptive defenses. The innate defenses start with the first line, the skin. Our skin is like a castle wall. When it's built and secure, viruses and bacteria can't get in to infect us. If the castle wall is broken, or gets just the smallest part broken on it, invaders can get in, and we need our second line of defense, the cellular and chemical defenses. First is our inflammatory response. When the body gets infected, chemicals are released, like histamine, that cause the cells around the area to release fluid. This makes the area puffy, hot, and kind of red. The antimicrobial part of the second line of defense includes interferons and the complement system. Interferons are when a cell gets punctured by a virus and infected, and right before it dies, it sends out signals to its surrounding cells called interferons. The interferons tell the other cells what's going on and put themselves up to guard. This is like when a castle gets raided and they send out a messenger really fast to the other kingdoms around it, and the kingdoms become aware of what's going on, and they're able to be ready to defend themselves also. The complement system is the other part of this. When a cell is infected, a series of proteins come along and puncture it. The poles allow the contents of the cell to leak out. The proteins also signal for white blood cells to come and eat up the cell that they've drained. This is like when a castle is invaded, how someone would punch a hole in the back of the wall to let all the people escape. Fever is the last part of the innate defense. When infection's present, our bodies release another kind of chemical that tells the brain that if we need to make the body hotter. The hot temperatures in the body make the viruses and bacteria uncomfortable, and they won't want to reproduce. It also makes a better environment for our bodies to fight off the viruses. Our body's adaptive defenses are more specific as to what they are targeting, whereas the innate system is general and broad. When our adaptive defenses sets in, it's like the castle is all locked up, and invaders sneak into the castle. We have to go find them because they're hiding out in the body. Cell-mediated adaptive responses starts with macrophages, which are a type of white blood cell. The macrophage is like the head guard who has all the keys to the castle. He's going to pass out the keys to all of his little helper T cells, other guards, and they're going to go through the castle and look through every door that their key matches, looking for the bad guys. They're going to secrete chemicals that are calling the guard dogs. The guard dogs are the killer T cells, and both are only going to seek out the doors that their keys match in order to find the invaders and kill it. The second adaptive response is the humoral mechanism of the B lymphocyte. It starts out the same way, but one of the invaders is captured, interrogated, and the information is given to the T cells, which are the guards. The T cells are going to help the B cells, which are going to be the guards in training. The guards in training are going to be able to mark the bad cells for the others to come and destroy them.